The ex-MP of Lok Sabha, Dr. Meinya, today highlighted the relevance of Gandhian principles, which are based on non-violence and non-cooperation movement in the present context. Dr. Meinya was speaking during centenary commemorative program for Belagavi Congress session in 1924, which was presided by Mahatma Gandhi. Speaking further in the program, which was held at Congress Bhavan, Dr. Meinya said the ongoing conflict in the state can be resolved majorly through non-violent and no-cooperative movement. While highlighting the significance of 100th year observance of AICC Belagavi session, Dr. Meinya said MPCC President K. Meghachandra, CWC member G. Gaikangam and AICC member Okrabi Bobi will attend the observance and will be part of the Congress Working Committee meeting. Commenting on the emerging trends of parliamentary proceedings, former parliamentarian from Manipur expressed concern over protests by both ruling and opposition party members in parliament's premises.
Mahatma Gandhi na sukilba political career ama haigadra social gi laita lamba mage chauwa punsi khongsat asida Mahatma Gandhi na prachai tarambasi Balgam gi Congress session khatani mage presidential address ta amana non violence amana non cooperation hai bani sina akoi political freedom phangda mateng pangani adu loina na akoi gi songna panaba yadaba leibasi musatpada mateng pangani aduga akoi community tongan ba leibasing sigi masai culture masai tradition na unity ma sagatpa ji bharat basida koina kanna practice tawjariba unity in diversity tang asida mana kanna mateng pangani haiduna panmirami aduga tasingadi samajik oima songsen thungi phibamda manadaba leibasi kokku ngamgani aduga loina na principle of justice and equality ase masi hariba non-violence and non-cooperation movement sing asina soidanagi namgani habagi du permirami at hari often sing asisu modern India gi society sida sab chana relevant oi maruina more particularly Manipur da agi leiwa crisis matang asida masi koi sab chana mari leini haidana ayak samana thamdege